Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make these vegan banana muffins. They are also allergen free because Nico has a ton of allergies. I make this multiple times a week and it's so easy, you're not going to believe it. We're going to start with making a little bit of a chia egg, which is a mixture of black chia seeds and a plant-based milk. We use Ripple in our house, which is like a pea protein type of milk alternative. So you're just going to mix the two and set it to the side while we prepare all of the other ingredients. Now, this recipe calls for 2 to 3 ripe bananas. You always want to make sure to measure the bananas after you mash them to make sure that it is the right amount for the recipe. And this one calls for a cup of mashed bananas and a cup of flour. And we're also going to go ahead and add baking powder, some cinnamon, and some salt, and also some coconut oil that's been melted. I've used different types of oils for this recipe, and coconut is definitely the best for the taste and the way it cooks. I'm also going to add a little bit of maple syrup and vanilla just to sweeten it up just a little bit, so like a tablespoon of that. And then I'm going to mix everything together and quickly check on my chia egg, which is now more like a creamy puddingy consistency, which is perfect. So we're going to mix everything and be careful not to overmix it. You just want to make sure everything is like incorporated and there's no lumps of chia seeds anywhere in the batter. And we're going to let it rest and do its thing while we get the oven ready at 375 and to get our tins ready. And I use this mini muffin silicone thing that I got from Winners. It is amazing. It takes about a tablespoon of the batter and 22 minutes in the oven, and they are ready to go. They are going to come out so fluffy and delicious. Be sure to check out beautyandabite.com for the full recipe. Thanks and enjoy.